Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a really fun technique using metallic inks on the BetterPress. I'm going to be using the Classic Mouse Wedding Accessories die set and also the BetterPress plate called Happiest Place, which features the Classic Mouse images with lots of hearts and different expressions. So first of all, I'm going to put the accessories dies together. I've already die cut all of these off camera just to save time, because I appreciate not everybody wants to sit and watch me die cut pieces out together. But I do just want to show you how easy they are to put together. I will also be using a sentiment from the Wedding Sentiments BetterPress plate as well. And Spellbinders makes it really easy to put the dies together because they all have this etching on. They also have an assembly guide on their website, so it is really easy to know which pieces go where. Sometimes it can look a bit overwhelming when you look at a die set, but I think sometimes it really helps that once you've cut the pieces out and you've got them in front of you, it's a lot easier to see where they all go. So I've just added the cake topper, and I'm going to use one of the hearts from that just to decorate the cake as well. I'm also going to add the diamond to the ring, so I've done that out of holographic cardstock with some silver metallic cardstock, and it looks really cool. I'm going to add the label to the wine bottle, which again I've die cut out of some silver matte cardstock this time, and then the wine glass I cut from some, it was like some Sizzix opulent cardstock. It was kind of like a white sheen cardstock, and I've added some glitter gold cardstock to the centre of the glass, so it kind of looks like sparkly wine or champagne. And you really can die cut these elements out of any different type of cardstock that you've got to match the occasion or match the wedding theme, or you can really just mix it up and personalise it. So that's what I really loved about this collection when I was putting it together, how much versatility you've got. Even with just like the cake, you could do each of those bands out of a different colour. So yeah, lots of ways that you could play with this die set. I've used the nesting postage labels and tags dies, I think it's called, from Spellbinders, just to create that layer which I'm adding all of the elements to. I'm going to add some foam tape behind the cake just to pop that up and put it nice and centred. And then I'm going to pop that element to one side. So to create the background, I'm using the BetterPress plate. This is the Happiest Place, and I'm using it with some Lisa Horton Crafts Silver Shine Metallic ink. And I know it's a little bit tricky to see on camera, but you can see quite clearly where the ink is, so you know that you've got good coverage. You really don't need to put a lot of pressure on, you're just tapping the ink gently over the plate. I'm using a Sizzix Big Shot machine to run my BetterPress through, so I found that adding an extra couple of card shims has really helped get the best impression. So I'm going to run that through my Big Shot now, and you can see the coverage is absolutely gorgeous. Those metallic inks look stunning. I've got a few of the little reels that might be coming on my YouTube channel and Instagram, but the metallic inks just look incredible. And I just think this is a great way, if you've got the BetterPress system but you don't have a hot foiling machine and maybe you struggle with heat embossing, this is definitely the next best way to get that kind of foiled metallic look. And the coverage and the impression was just perfect. So I highly recommend these inks. Give them a go. If you've already got the BetterPress system, then why not buy one of the metallic inks and just give it a go and see what you think. I was really pleased with the end result. So I've stuck that down to an A2 card base. I've added a layer of metallic silver cardstock behind it as a matte layer. And I'm just going to add some foam tape now behind that centerpiece that we created. And I'm going to add a sentiment that says "Just Married" from the BetterPress Sentiments Classic Wedding set. And then that'll be my card finished for today. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this card, seeing it come together. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this tutorial. It really helps me out. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you like this card, what you'd have done differently. And if you've tried the metallic inks on the BetterPress, let me know what you think. As always, all the products will be listed down in the description box below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.